Yo, what's up, guys? It's International. I'm back at it, man, with another review on the eve of me flying out of here. I am going to StockX Day. I will be flying out tomorrow, but before I do, I wanted to do this double unboxing I got, man. I just got home. It's pretty late, but want to go ahead and knock it out with you guys before I head out. Do this double unboxing. Let's get the first one. Let's get this one out of here first. I want to check this one out. I haven't seen this one in person. Let's see what we got. But first of all, I'm looking in here. What is this? Oh, that's dope. That's pretty cool. I rock with that. All right, let's see what we have. First up, we got the Lebron 15. Man, these are solid. These are pretty solid. Had a fly knit. This material at the top is just so smooth. Like, I bought the original pair of Ashes, and with these, man, there's been so many. I can't lie. Honestly, almost. I'm not gonna say all, but almost all of the LeBron colorways have been dope. But this shoe, man, it's just this is one of the best LeBron 15s I think since the 9s or the 10s, man. Honestly, this is a solid shoe. You see, it has an Air Max bubble at the bottom, and even, you know, with him, like the 14s, he didn't really even wear the 14s that much, man. But these are hard, man. Retail is, what, I think 185. 185 for this one. I think this wasn't the Fruity Pebbles, though. The Fruity Pebbles was white, and then they did like a black version of them. So I think these are like the black Fruity Pebble version of this shoe. But honestly, man, when I look at like the material, the knit, it almost kind of like reminds me of a Coogee sweater. You know what I'm saying? Like, you could pull this off with something cool like that. But it's in Houston, it's spring, man, so it's about to get hot. But this is a solid shoe. And then, as you can see, if you can see here on the tabs, on the front tab and on the back tab, it's actually a tumble leather material on here that you can use for supporting. In the air bubble at the bottom is black. Now, also, I don't know if you guys can see in here, but inside the bubble, usually with an Air Max, is like a solid prong in here. I guess I'll say a prong. But if you look in here close enough, you can see it's like lines within this Air Max bubble on this LeBron. If you guys can see that, and the detailing in it makes this one. This is a very detailed, dope shoe. This LeBron 15 is. I can't lie, man. And the next shoe I have is an actual shoe that was made for a celebration of sorts. What celebration, do you ask? What holiday was this for? This was for a holiday that we call Mamba Day, in observance of Kobe Bryant, the GOAT. You know what I'm saying? One of the GOATs, because, you know. But yeah, man, I saw this shoe. This one is solid pickup, the Paul George Mamba Day. So we're gonna check this one out. The detailing of this shoe is insane. As you can see here on the tongue, it has the PG here on the tongue. Honestly, to be 100% honest, it was either buy these or do a Nike ID, but I chose to get these. But I think I'm gonna still do a Nike ID, man. I might do a Nike ID instead. But this is a solid shoe. It looks big, man. I wear a size 13. I can't help it. But the shoe is pretty big, man. The detailing and the coloring is just cool to me, man. Like, summertime is coming, so you want to kind of liven it up. And then here on the side, it has 93552. I need to do some homework on this because I'm not quite sure what that stands for. It also has the Nike Zoom technology on the sole of this shoe, and also the translucent sole. But with the Zoom technology, man, Zoom technology is what makes a lot of shoes comfortable. Like, even when you go inside the Nike store, we tell the customers that they want to get like a Pegasus if you're going to be walking or running, preferably walking for a long period of time, and you want a shoe with comfort. We refer them to the Pegasus because it has Zoom technology, which is the same technology in the sole of this shoe. This is hard, man. This is hard. This is a dope pickup. PGs, man. Nice shoe. Honestly, it almost like it reminded me like it could have been a what the shoe. Like you had a what the Kobe, what the KD. This could have been a what the shoe. This would have been a perfect what the Paul George or something like that. But this is dope. As you can see, it has its signature on the inside and on the back, as well as a tongue. So they make sure they got the Paul George branding on here. Retail on these were $110 in store, if you're able to cop them in store. But this is a nice shoe. It's laced with different material. I thought this was like a plastic, but this is kind of like a cloth material, if you can hear it. Kind of like a cloth material around here. Just the detailing in this shoe. I think Nike really knocked it out the park with this Paul George 2. I wasn't a big fan of the one. I've heard people say it's actually a great basketball shoe, but to be 100% honest with you, I don't play basketball in these kind of shoes. I haven't played basketball in years, but if I do, I would not play in a new pair of shoes. To be 100% honest with you. But for $110, I think, you know, some people will play in these. That's not a bad price to play basketball in a shoe. But overall, this is a solid shoe, man. So both of these pickups, like I said, you got the Paul George and the LeBron 15. Two pretty dope pickups. So, you know what I'm saying? Holla if you hear me. If you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button. Also, be sure to subscribe to the page. Like I said, I'm headed to StockX. So you may also want to not only follow me on the YouTube channel, you may want to follow me on Snapchat. My Snapchat name is Giving Game O, GIVINGAME, and the letter O, all one word. I'm gonna put it down in the description so you can check that out, because I will be giving play-by-play with my spectacles at StockX Day, as well as probably some reviews or whatever else we have going on there. So until then, you guys be cool.